Hey, have you ever thought about starting your own business? Honestly, all the time. I think about it almost every week. Same here. Working for yourself sounds freedom. Freedom and stress at the same time. True, running a business looks difficult, especially in the beginning when nobody knows your brand. Exactly. Building something from zero takes courage. What kind of business would you start? Probably something online. Maybe a creative agency or clothing brand. That actually sounds interesting. What about you? I'd love to open a small coffee shop someday. Really? That sounds peaceful. Yeah, I like cozy cafes with relaxing music and good atmosphere. Those places always feel comforting. Exactly. I'd want people to come there and relax after stressful days. That's actually a cool dream. Thanks. Social media probably makes business easier now, though. Definitely. One viral video can change everything. That's crazy when you think about it. Years ago, businesses needed huge advertising budgets. Now people can grow brands from their bedrooms. Exactly. Content creation changed business completely. Do you think being an entrepreneur is worth it? Depends on the person, honestly. How so? Some people love stability. Others prefer freedom and risk. I think I prefer freedom. Same. I don't like the idea of repeating the same routine forever. Neither do I. But entrepreneurship can be mentally exhausting, especially when income isn't stable. Exactly. Some months are great, some are terrible. That uncertainty scares many people, including me sometimes. But successful entrepreneurs always say consistency matters most. Yeah, most businesses fail because people quit too early. Patience seems very important, extremely important. Success rarely happens overnight. Social media makes it look instant, though. That's the dangerous part. People only show the success, not the struggle. Exactly. Nobody posts sleepless nights and failures. Behind every successful brand, there were usually years of hard work. That's true. What would be the hardest part for you? Probably dealing with stress and uncertainty. Same here. But honestly, working on your own dream feels more meaningful.